Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. Today is my cycle day 2 and I'm going now to my fertility clinic in Makati in Kato repro biotech center. I'm going to have my baseline ultrasound and blood tests. So let us see what's gonna happen later. Video is a quick update about my IVF procedure. If you've been watching my previous videos, the doctor canceled our natural IVF because my egg didn't grow. The size is only 14.6 millimeters and I ovulated early. I ovulated at cycle day 9. Today is my cycle day 2 and I just had my baseline ultrasound and blood test, and according to the doctor everything is okay. Give me letrozole 1 tablet per day and I will be taking that for 5 days. That is to support the maturation of the eggs. And I will be back on Saturday, cycle day 9, to check the follicle if it is growing. So the monitoring of the follicle in natural IVF is almost the same with the IUI. Since it is a natural cycle, they're not after about the egg quantity, but instead they're looking for the egg quality. So let us see on cycle day 9 for the size of the egg. Well, this procedure is almost the same with the IUI. So the difference is if the egg is already mature, they will collect it and fertilize it in the lab. Once it is fertilized, they will transfer it in the uterus. It will be a fresh transfer. Usually after the 2 days of fertilization, they will not wait for the blastocyst. So it will be day 2 cell division, and then they will just transfer it into the uterus. It's a very delicate process. So let us see, this is exciting because this is a natural cycle. There is no involvement of hybrid injections. So yeah, I need to go back in the fertility clinic on Saturday, cycle day 9, to check if the follicle is growing, and then I'll let you know. So if you are new here and you'd like to follow my journey, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload videos. So these are my hormones result. So these are both day 2. This one is from the previous cycle. This is from the canceled cycle. And this one is the most recent one. So today I only had my estradiol and luteinizing hormone. As you can see here, my estradiol was 29.8 and today it is 36.2. My luteinizing hormone before is 3.2. And now it is 5.6. These are both day 2. And here is my medication sheet, and I love how they do it because they are very organized there in Kato. And here's my appointment card. So many of you are asking about the schedule in Kato repro biotech center. Just in case you need it, here's their schedule, Monday to Saturday. And that's the time, 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And they're also open every Sundays and during the holidays, but it's only half day until 12 noon only. And also, if you are going there, please make sure to set an appointment. You may call them. What I usually do is I will just text them in their mobile number, this one, and then that's it. You can also email them. Here are their contact information. So all the staff are very accommodating and very kind. So you can talk to them anytime. So I'm just sharing it because I receive a lot of comment, and some of you messaged me on Facebook about the information. So I hope this is something helpful. Also, if you have some more other questions, please don't hesitate to comment it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.